Samoa's innovative air distribution system effectively directs compressed air through the pump. Located at the pump's core, Samoa's frictionless pivot shaft air valve has lube-free operation and provides the fastest reciprocating action in the industry with only a few moving parts. Due to this fast changeover shifting, Samoa's Pivot series reduces energy consumption and minimizes pump vibrations and fluid pulsations. The upper half of the pivot valve directs compressed air into the pump's air chambers, while the lower pads quickly exhaust air to prevent icing. A diaphragm membrane divides the air and fluid chambers. The fluid section contains ball checks that allows each side of the pump to alternate from a suction stroke to a discharge stroke. In addition, Samoa's patented smooth start shifter device eliminates pump stalling issues by activating the pivot valve only as needed.